Hello, sweetie. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Christmas tree popsicle. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Also, you and your parents can download and print my Christmas coloring book. All links in the description under the video. Now, let's look at the picture.
The first step we're gonna draw is the popsicle. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle and draw a big upside down letter U. Then let's connect these ends with straight line. Now let's draw the popsicle stick. Draw two vertical lines in the middle and let's connect them. Now let's decorate other popsicle. The first step we're gonna draw is the star. Draw upside down letter V, then sideways letters V, upside down letters V, and let's add Christmas ornaments. Draw 4 different circles. Now let's draw Christmas tinsel. Draw diagonal lines inside the popsicle. And let's draw diagonal lines over here. On the top of the popsicle, let's draw another diagonal lines.
That's the way to go! You did it! I like your drawing! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. I will see you drawing and answer to show your message. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
Now I choose beige for popsicle stick. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then let's take dark brown and draw texture of wood. Draw curved lines inside the popsicle stick. Then I choose green for popsicle. Tracing and coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. If you need extra time, you can always pause the video.
Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line.
You can choose any color you like.
We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. We trace around the edge again, try not to go beyond the line. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring inside. Use short strokes. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color.
Then I choose red for tinsel, tracing and coloring inside.
Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible.
Then I choose yellow for Christmas ornaments and for star.
Wow, amazing drawing! Oh, beautiful! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. Love you! Bye bye!